1. 1977 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $16,000 OBO. For sale, a 1977 Chevrolet Nova Prostreet project. And yes, this one is clearly labeled Project. This is a 1977 Nova hatchback, built in true Prostreet style and ready for the right builder to finish it the way it deserves. Power comes from a 468 big block Chevy, supported by an aluminum radiator and an electric water pump. The car features a brand new 700R4 transmission, paired with a new B&M shifter. Out back sits a narrowed 9-inch Ford rear end, equipped with 35 spline axles and 4.56 gears. Suspension includes coilovers and leaf springs, giving it the right stance and traction for a Prostreet setup. Up front, the entire suspension has been replaced with all new components, including tubular upper and lower control arms. The rear wheels are 15 by 15 Weld Pro Stars, wrapped in brand new Mickey Thompson SR radials, size 31x 18.50-15. Up front, it runs 15 by 5 Weld Pro Stars with skinnies. Inside, the car is fitted with Jazz racing seats with new covers and padding. A new carpet is included and still in the box. Exterior updates include new taillights and bezels, along with new side marker lights and bezels. The car is currently in primer. It runs, but it will need to be wired to be fully finished. Location: Montgomery County, Virginia, United States. 2. 1967 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe 2D. Price, $60,000. For sale, a 1967 Buick Skylark drag race car. A true classic muscle car, built with serious hardware and a clear focus on straight-line performance. This vehicle is powered by a big block Chevy 540 CD, running on M1 methanol. IT features Lemons headers, step from 2 1/8 inches to 2 3/8 inches, flowing into 4-inch collectors. Fuel delivery is handled by Ron's fuel injection 5-inch toilet system. Power is transferred through a Prince Racing Powerglide transmission, paired with an 8-inch Payless converter rated at 5,000 RPM. The drivetrain includes 1.80 straight-cut gears, a 300mm input shaft, and a Chris Alston Chassis Works FAB9 fabricated rear END. To the rear, the car runs 4.11 gears, a spool, and 40 spline strange axles. It is equipped with a strange aluminum ultra case third member and a PST carbon fiber drive shaft. Launch control and stability are supported by S&W 80-inch wheelie bars. Stopping power comes from Wilwood brakes on all 4 corners. Suspension is handled by AFCO big gun canister shocks with chrome springs. Up front, the car features rack and pinion steering combined with QA1 coilover suspension. Fuel supply is managed by an Aeromotive A3000 fuel pump assembly. Ignition is fully upgraded with MSD components, including MSD 8+, HVC, 2-coil, power grid, and an advanced RPM control module. A manual launch control system is also installed. Rear wheels are M/T Pro 5, 16 by 16 double beadlock. Front wheels measure 15x 3.5. Rear tires are M/T 33.5 by 16.5 by 16, while the front tires are 26 by 4.5 by 15 Pro Glass. All windows are Lexan. The car features a glass deck hood scoop and lightweight trunk setup. The chassis was built by Rick's Rassicraft Chassis. Paint and bodywork were completed by Greg Gasfield. All offers are considered. Location: Kankakee County, Illinois, United States. 3. 1972 Chevrolet Vega GT. Price, $15,000. For sale, a 1972 Chevrolet Vega GT race car, located very close to Allentown, Pennsylvania. This is not just a race car. This is a piece of local drag racing history. The car is a Vega race build, known as an Ed Quay car, powered by a small block V8. It is equipped with an air shifter and built strictly with performance in mind. This car was originally built by John Coyle of Allentown, Pennsylvania, back in the late 1970s to early 1980s. At the time, it earned the nickname the Budget Breaker. It was a well-known car at the track and a machine many people grew up watching race. Later on, the car was sold to Joe Jecka with a blown motor. Joe installed his own engine and raced the car for some time before it changed hands again. That I purchased this Vega about a year and a half ago, mainly for sentimental reasons. After some thought, I've decided to sell it as I will not be racing it. The car could easily be made street legal, or it could be raced just the way it sits. It comes with a clean Pennsylvania title currently in my name. With Dragfest coming to town soon and located close to me, delivery is possible. Location: Lehigh County, Pennsylvania, United States. 4. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D. Price: $20,000. For sale, a 1977 Chevrolet Camaro RS drag car. A serious race-built second-gen Camaro, designed for the strip and loaded with potential. Please note, during its last outing, the car brushed the guardrail, resulting in damage to the rear quarter panel, one wheel, and the fiberglass fender. The car can be sold as a roller, or the engine can be sold separately, depending on the deal. The chassis features a steel roof and steel quarter panels, with the rest of the body constructed from fiberglass. It has all-new tinted Lexan windows throughout. The car is built on a tube chassis, previously certified to 8.50, and after recent updates, it should now certify to 7.50. A 9-inch ladder bar rear suspension is installed and can handle both big and small tires. That IT is currently set up with 29 by 10.5 tires. Power comes from a built big block Chevy, suitable for stock block classes or bracket racing. The car is set to run 5.90 brackets on motor only, with no nitrous. There's still a lot of performance left in this setup. Transmission is a power glide, paired with a trans brake and an electric quarter stick shifter. The car features all-new paint and has been professionally and completely rewired. This includes all switches, LED lighting, gauges, a new MSD grid system, a new fuel tank, fuel pump, filters, and regulators. Trades may be considered. Interested in a stacker trailer, nitrous, blower, or turbo motors, or a Peterbilt or Kenworth tractor. Location: Pasquotank County, North Carolina, United States. 5. 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price: $30,000 cash. For sale, a 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS, built to deliver serious straight-line power. This is a true classic muscle car with modern drag racing performance. Under the hood sits a 540 cubic inch big and block, built specifically for nitrous oxide use. The engine produces an impressive 806 horsepower at the flywheel, making this Nova a legitimate strip contender. Power is delivered through a Rosseler Terminator T3 transmission, known for its strength and reliability in high horsepower applications. This drivetrain setup is designed to handle the abuse of hard launches and consistent passes down the track. This car is offered at $30,000 cash. NO Lowball. Offers to NO Trades. Location: Jackson County, Oregon, United States. 6. 1960 Ford Thunderbird Prostreet. Blown small block classic with standout style. This 1960 Ford Thunderbird Prostreet is a bold and unique classic, built to turn heads wherever it goes. With its unmistakable early 60s styling and aggressive Prostreet setup, this Thunderbird is not something you will see at every local car show. Power comes from a 350 small block Chevy, set back in the engine bay to accommodate the oil pan and improve weight distribution. The engine features a cammed setup, specs unknown, and is topped with a 671 supercharger, fed by two brand ED 750 blower carburetors. Power is delivered through a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a 3,200 revolutions per minute stall converter, making this car both exciting and drivable. Out back, the car runs a narrowed and tubbed rear end, featuring a 9-inch Ford axle with non-posy traction, gear ratio unknown. Traction comes from brand new Mickey Thompson tires, including Sportsman rear tires, giving the car a classic Prostreet stance. Inside, the Thunderbird features a custom interior in very nice condition, along with new gauges mounted in the dash. The fuel cell is located in the trunk and is very heavy, though it does not currently latch. The car does not have a blower motor or heater box, keeping the build focused on performance and simplicity. The exterior shows fairly new paint and bodywork, overall in decent condition. While the car is not perfect, it remains very sharp, retains its original character, and presents extremely well. With approximately 25,000 miles, this Thunderbird runs and drives great, though it could benefit from front suspension work to be fully dialed in. Located in Hancock County, Ohio, USA, this rare and eye-catching 1960 Ford Thunderbird Prostreet is offered at $39,000. 7. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro-built 7.50 SUR drag car, 4.60 at 155 miles per hour, 1/8 mile. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a professionally built, no-expense-spared drag car, engineered for extreme performance and reliability. With proven track results and top-tier components throughout, this Nova is a serious contender for radial racing or high-level competition. The car features a Smith Rassacraft chromoly tube front end paired with Santa shocks and a fully certified 7.50 chromoly tube chassis showcasing exceptional build quality. The suspension is optimized with a 4-link rear setup, wishbone, and mincer shocks, while strange brakes provide confident stopping power. The car scales at 3,068 pounds with a 215 pounds driver, highlighting its efficient lightweight construction. Power comes from an all-aluminum 632 cubic inch engine fitted with Brodix Big Duke cylinder heads and a Moroso dry sump system. The engine has 0 passes since a fresh rebuild and previously produced 979 horsepower naturally aspirated, escalating to an incredible 1,735 horsepower with an Induction Solutions X2 75 power adder system. Engine and race functions are managed by a Holley Dominator ECU with full race management. Power is transferred through a Pro-built Powerglide transmission, rated to handle up to 2,000 horsepower, featuring a Sonax 1.58 gear set, dump valve, and a PTC torque converter. The drivetrain is completed by a 9-inch rear end with a strain center section, 3.70 gear, and 40 spline strange axles. The body is laser straight and exceptionally solid, finished in PPG base/clear paint. Lightweight components include a one-piece glass front end, fiberglass doors, and deck lid. The car rides on weld wheels, including 14-inch rear wheels, and was built for 275 radial racing. It is currently set up with 315 radial tires and remains street legal. This Nova has already proven its capability, running 4.60 seconds at 155 miles per hour in the 1/8 mile, and is exceptionally well sorted. With too many details to list, this is a turnkey, elite-level drag car. Located in Washington County, Pennsylvania, USA, this 1972 Chevrolet Nova is offered at $60,000 no trades. If the ad is up, the car is still available. 8. 1968 Plymouth GTX RS 23 Real GTX Prostreet / strip muscle car. This 1968 Plymouth GTX RS 23 is a real GTX, built as a Prostreet / strip machine with classic Mopar muscle and serious torque. The car is reported to be an 11-second performer, offering strong acceleration and an aggressive driving experience. Power comes from a 440 cubic inch V8 built with adjustable lifters, a competition purple cam, upgraded cylinder heads and intake, and a reinforced bottom end designed to handle a 200 shot of nitrous. While the engine was built to support nitrous has never been installed, and the motor has proven to be reliable and strong. The drivetrain features an automatic transmission with a manual valve body, delivering firm, positive shifts. Supporting systems include an electric fan, electric water pump, and electric fuel pump, ensuring consistent cooling and fuel delivery under performance driving. The car is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, a line lock, new tires, and a new battery. The alternator is currently out, which the buyer should note. This GTX is described as very torquey and extremely fun to drive, having been driven during the summer and fall seasons. The current owner has not raced the car, but notes its strong performance compared to other high-horsepower vehicles. The body is rust-free, and the original fender tag remains in place, adding to its authenticity and value. Packed with performance upgrades and character, this Mopar offers a great blend of classic muscle and street/strip capability. Located in Cook County, near Chicago, Illinois, USA. This 1968 Plymouth GTX RS23 is offered at $35,000. Firm. 9. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner/Sports Satellite. Rare big block Mopar drag car. 8-second capability. This 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner/Sports Satellite is a rare, full-bodied Mopar drag car, built with no compromises and backed by serious performance credentials. Immaculately maintained and expertly engineered, this car blends classic muscle car presence with proven drag strip dominance. The heart of the build is a 440 megablock stroked to 588 cubic inches, featuring a 13.5:1 compression ratio, Indy cylinder heads and intake, and Bill Miller aluminum connecting rods with approximately 80 passes on the engine. The car runs on C12 race fuel and is fed by a thumper carburetor, along with a new Induction Solutions nitrous system specifically set up for this vehicle. Performance numbers speak for themselves. The car consistently runs 9.30 to 9.70 ETs naturally aspirated, and with nitrous, it has recorded a best pass of 8.32 seconds at 163 miles per hour. Power is delivered through a 727 automatic transmission equipped with a 4,500 revolutions per minute stall converter and trans brake, sending torque to a Dana rear end with 4.56 gears and a spool. Safety and compliance are fully addressed with a new NHR 8.50 certified roll cage, new 5-point racing harnesses, and a complete functional interior including lights, dash, and trim. The car retains a full steel body with all glass intact, making it both race-legal and visually stunning. The body and chassis are in immaculate condition, completely rust-free, and still feature the original vinyl top, a rare and desirable detail. A Jazz 16-gallon fuel cell supports extended race sessions, and the car comes with 2 additional sets of rear tires, front skinnies, nitrous components, and fluids. The engine is currently out of the car and located at Ray Barton Racing Engines for work, as the owner has decided to go in a different direction. Videos of the car running at the drag strip are available upon request. With its documented performance, rare Mopar pedigree, and exceptional condition, this is a standout opportunity for serious collectors and racers alike. Location: Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, USA. Price: $39,500 or best offer. 10. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe, streetable drag car with full roll cage. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a purpose-built drag car that has since been adapted for street use, offering a solid blend of classic muscle car styling and race-ready hardware. Built with performance and safety in mind, this Camaro is well suited for drag racing enthusiasts looking for a streetable setup. The car features a full roll cage, making it a strong and safe platform for both 1/8 mile and 1/4 mile drag racing. Power comes from a 1968 casting engine block and cylinder heads, which are date-correct castings but not the original engine. Power is transferred through a turbo 400 automatic transmission to a 12-bolt rear axle with drum brakes. Supporting modifications include a fuel cell, manual rack and pinion steering, and tubular A-arms, all contributing to improved weight distribution, steering feel, and front-end geometry. Originally built strictly as a drag car, the Camaro is now streetable, offering versatility for both track days and cruising. This is a straightforward, honest build focused on performance rather than originality, making it an excellent choice for someone seeking a classic Camaro with proven drag racing roots. Located in Rio Grande County, Colorado, USA, this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is offered at $40,000.